Gina with WTI. If you're looking to fancy up your next party or gathering and you want something that looks beautiful but is unbreakable, then you've got to check out these champagne flutes from N9R. I recently threw a bridal shower for a friend, and these were the perfect accent for our mimosas and sangrias that we had. One of my friend's moms was so impressed by how beautiful these are. She actually thought that they were glass, and when she picked them up, she was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe that these are plastic because they look so good. I love the elegant touch of the gold rim. It just really makes them look quality, and guess what? They are quality. Someone inevitably is going to knock over a glass, and this is great because they're not breakable, so you don't have to worry about glass shards or anyone getting hurt. The other thing I love about these is they don't have stems. So I'm usually the person who knocks over glasses, but I'm less likely to do so when I don't have a stem to deal with. And these are just so elegant and fit into your hand perfectly, and they hold a good amount of liquid. I also like that although they're plastic, they are reusable. So I wash them, and my husband and I have just been reusing them at home when we want a cocktail or to just fancy up our sparkling water with a little bit of flavor in it. You can't go wrong with these glasses for your next gathering or party. They're beautiful, elegant, and reusable. I really love them, and that's my point of view.